Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just the other day, I did this exact video, but I did it in X7. I finally got my old computer back out of the shop and I've got 23. So this is the way this ornament looks. So your name needs to miss, and you can even move your name around a little bit. Mine's not perfect, but we're going to just nudge this out of the way and I'm going to show you, well, I got the wrong part out of the way. That needs to go there. I'm going to show you how to, if you had to put all these names at different sizes, different lengths of words or names, how I do it. And it's a little bit different in 23, mainly on the find and replace. But to get this, I'm actually going to move it over a little bit. I'm going to hold down the shift key and double click on the rectangle tool. And it put a rectangle around that item. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to nudge that over. I'm going to make a duplicate. I'm going to nudge it over. And I'm going to take away the William. And then I can actually group this together, Control G. And then I'm going to Control D. And let's see how many names we have. I just made these up. I got 6. So we need, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to put these names, and you can see that Jennifer is longer than the other ones. And here's a little bit of difference in the 23 version versus the 7. We're going to go to Effects and Envelope tool, and we're going to pick on our name. Whoop, I need to break them apart. So I'm going to go to Object and break the text apart. I'm going to take my Billy, and right here on X23, you have this item and Create from Form. Okay, I've got to ungroup it. So I'm going to select them all and ungroup everything because it's trying to pick the whole thing. So now I can take the Billy, get the envelope form and hit here. Now it did it inside. I don't have to put it in there yet. I can go here, envelope form. I think I got to hit the text tool to get it back. But I'm just going, and I don't have to put it in that particular one. I can put it over here. And I wonder if we hit escape. Nope, we got to go back to the pick tool. But this is pretty easy. And I'm also going to show you how to put them in there and then take away the boxes is the main thing of the video. That's all I have to do. I don't have to, I can just click on the, well, I guess I do have to pick the pick tool. There might be a better way. So now I've got all those done. I can take away my envelope tool. And now you want to, let's get the names a little closer. I'm going to pick Billy first, hold down the shift key and select the box and go EC, RCE. Pick the name first, the box, EC. If you pick the box first and then the name, it's going to move the box. And we don't want that. We want to move the name. So it's always the last thing picked in most functions in Corel. So I'm just selecting, and I could go EC or RCE. It does not matter. So if I go E, it puts it horizontally. And if I put C, it puts it in the center. And good, we got Jennifer next. So I'm going to shift select the box, EC or CE, Jennifer, hold down the shift, EC. Now, you could go through here, but if you had hundreds of these to do, it might be hard to try to grab that rectangle. So if we go to edit and find and replace, and we're going to edit query, and we're not going to care about the fill or curves, we're going to go rectangles. Okay. Find all. No objects found. How can that be? Let's go edit query. I don't have anything else picked. No objects found. That's a rectangle. I'll tell you what, let's go from selection. See if that works. There we go. And then just hit delete. So it's probably even quicker that way. But that way you got rid of that item. And then you just need to cut these 7 out I've been using plywood on this one. I've been using walnut, and then I glue them together lightly, and they're a pretty neat little ornament. I've made quite a few of them this year. Anyway, so that's X24 or CorelDraw 24 find and replace and envelope tool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.